Here's all you'll need for my chicken Thai style noodle soup. Some fresh coriander, lime juice, mushrooms, lemongrass, chilli, garlic, ginger, chicken stock. I've made my own, but feel free to use a stock cube. For some seasoning we want fish sauce. We're going to have coconut milk in there, some cooked chicken to add into it, and your noodles. I like to use rice noodles with this dish, but feel free to use whatever noodles you like. Chop your ginger, crush your garlic, chili pepper, mushroom, lemongrass and your coriander, and you prune it all into a food processor or blender. Once that's in there, brown with some vegetable oil, and then blitz that up, and once you're left with something resembling that, time to get your pan out. Heat a dry pan up, and then it's time to go in with the concoction that you've just blitzed. You won't need any oil because you've already put some cooking oil in with all your ingredients. Then you're going to fry them off for 2 or 3 minutes to get them warmed and cooked through. When your veg have had a few minutes and cooked through, time to go in with your chicken stock. And into there, go in with the juice of 1 lime, and then your seasoning, which is fish sauce. Smells horrible, but really adds lovely flavour to your dishes. And into there, you go in with your coconut milk. And I nearly forgot, put in your cooked chicken that you've diced up. And then bring that up to boil, and then turn it down to a lovely simmer. When it's been simmering away for 20 minutes or more, it's time to get your noodles into your bowl. So get your noodles prepared, whichever ones you're having, and then on you go with your broth. And enjoy a multitude of flavours.